Back. We're back. We're back. It's okay.
Cobra Kai! Cobra Kai!
Cobra Kai! Oh shit! Oh my god!
Please
Oh my
don't
god! It's the
Cobra Kai.
police! It's the police! Oh! 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 We got traffic. We're hitting the traffic. We're hitting the traffic.
Security!
Security.
Security! Oh no! We don't want to run up.
Oh, we almost went up the elevator. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Oh, look at all the people, look at all the people. Oh.
Dad, when I tell you to look to the right, you look to the right, okay?
Uh-oh, I think we're running out of gas. We're running out of gas. We're running out of fuel. I think we're too heavy. We're too heavy.
Shake it! Oh, we are.
We're slowing down.
It was so fast before.
We're running out of fuel.
Look right, look right. That's what I wanted to play.
Yeah, I do that.
Yeah, it's in VR. Dad, can we play that? Cobra Kai! Cobra Kai!
Cobra Kai. Cobra Kai.
Here.
Oh.
We're seeing Cobra Kai everywhere.
Yeah. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. Oh, we almost ran him over.
Oh God, we're going down there.
We're going downhill. Well, we're gaining speed. We're gaining speed. All right. We got speed. We're gaining speed. We're gaining speed.
No, I swear, if you're going there and then we crash, that's scary. Oh my God, this guy has good aim.
I think I can. Oh, he's putting it into terms.
This guy has aim.
Let's go.
This guy has aim ball. He can control where everybody is.
Yes.
He got aim ball. Showers, 2 showers. Look back.
Oh, they got showers?
1 shower
Shower time.
and another shower. Come on. That's cool, man.
All right. Here we go. We're coming.
We have to find Cobra Kai or else we're gone.
All right, we almost ran her over. Look, she's trying to keep up with us. She's coming. Look. She's coming right behind us. Oh, 360.
What's going there?
He's speeding up. All right. Whoa, we almost ran her over. We almost ran that lady over.
I thought we were too fast.
There we go. Look at all these people. Look at all these people. Oh my God. Look at all this. Look at all these people.
Dad.
Get out the freaking way. It's your boy Spidey.
Dad. Everybody knows you're recording.
Yeah, I know. Get out the freaking way. It's your boy Spidey. Oh. Get out the Get out the way. It's your boy, Spidey. We're almost coming back.
Yeah, it's so fast.
Coming to the home stretch. We're coming to the home stretch.
Wait, it's open.
What's open?
Where you ride the animals. It's open now.
Oh,
Let's tell Mom.
oh no. Well, we did the, grab one of those, grab and go.
I didn't get it. It's too big. Biggie! So, stop. You've been recording me the whole time.
All the time.
Chucky did that too.
We got the thing, go ahead. Alright, we're
The
pulling
whole
out.
entire time she was talking.
We are here. We made it.
Let me jump out the way.
Aboard. Alright. How's your ride? How are you ride?